Hi Betsy, thanks for finding time to speak to us. Do you want to introduce yourself first, please?
So my name is Betsy Bassis. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Defra.
Could you tell us what data-driven Defra means to you?
Having the data, or relevant data, at my fingertips when needing to make decisions, but also ensuring that the data we have, we actually do something with it. That often you get reports and you know what's going on, you see trends in the data, and you have a lovely conversation, and then you come back a year later, 6 months later, and you're still looking at similar insight from the data, and I feel disappointed that we haven't actually done anything with that insight and driven changes. So I want to drive the action and the sort of the work of Defra, so that we're actually doing things differently as a result of the insights that our data gives us about the work that we do.
Where do you see value in data, and perhaps where do you not see value in data?
Well, a couple of areas I would say. One is I want to know that it's correct. So, I mean, I will value the data if I know that I can count that it's correct, and I know that there are a lot of things that we need to do to make sure that we can rely on our data, because we collect in so many different places, and we have lots of people spend much of their energy trying to agree what the data actually is and which one we can rely on. I guess assuming that gets addressed, the next thing that I really look for is trends. So data out of context, I find it very difficult. Customer satisfaction this month was X. Well, my question is, well, what was it last month, and what was it a year ago? And are we seeing it trending up or trending down? Because that will, 89% may be really good, but if it's down 5% on last month, well, actually, maybe we have a problem. So data in context and trends is very helpful. Data in and of itself is sort of interesting, but insights and recommendations are also very, very helpful. So what do we do as a result of this data? What is it telling us? Actionable insights is what I very much value.
Do you think Defra is well placed to be able to adopt and take advantage of new technologies?
I think we're definitely on our way to getting there. Right now, as you know, many of our systems are fragmented across the organization. As a result, we hold data in different parts, and that we can't join this. That fragmentation results in multiple versions of the truth. Now, I know through Unity and some of the other work we're doing on in the data field, we're looking to join up our systems and create single repositories of data such that that will enable us to do that going forward. I'm very confident that we're starting to make Defra a destination of choice in terms of the right technology, digital and data specialists. And I'm really very confident in both the strategy that we have to join up our systems and processes across the organization, but also the fact that we're making great strides in bringing in the talent and capability to achieve that strategy.
It's always about the people, isn't it? As well as the technology.
Very much so, and I think it's incredible what the data team has done over the last year or so in terms of really generating huge amounts of enthusiasm within Defra and across the rest of government about what being a data-driven department could look like. Something that could be seen as a really dry subject or something that's what the sort of data scientists do in a corner, but actually what the whole program, the campaign has done over the last year is make this something that has engaged and inspired the whole organization. I've been really impressed with that, and really humbled actually by how a group of really excited, inspired people have managed to capture the attention of so many people who might otherwise have not thought a lot about data.